Did you know that as an LLC owner, you could contribute up to $66,000 a year into retirement, completely tax-deductible? Most business owners don't realize how much they can save by using the right retirement plan. Let's break down your options. Welcome back to Venture Smarter, where we simplify LLC law, taxes, and financial planning for entrepreneurs. Today, we're covering how to make retirement contributions from your LLC, the top 5 retirement plans available, and how to choose the one that fits your goals. If you want more breakdowns on LLC strategies and money-saving tips for entrepreneurs, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We post every week to help you grow and protect your business. Point 1. Why retirement planning matters for LLC owners. Running your own business means you don't have an employer-sponsored 401k. But the good news is, LLC owners have flexible retirement options that often come with higher contribution limits and tax advantages. Point 2. Retirement plan options. Here are 5 of the most common retirement plans for LLCs. Traditional or Roth IRA. Contribute up to $6,500 in 2024, $7,500 if you're 50 plus. Roth IRAs grow tax-free, but withdrawing before 59.5 comes with penalties. Solo 401k. Perfect if you have no employees other than a spouse. Contribute up to $66,000 in 2024 with the ability to borrow against your balance. SEPIRA. Great for single-member LLC. Contributions are up to 25% of net self-employment earnings, capped at $66,000. Simple IRA. Easier to set up, with contribution limits of $15,500 in 2024 dollars, $19,000 if you're 50 plus. Allows for company matches. Defined benefit plan. The most advanced option, allowing contributions up to $265,000 in 2024, but requires actuarial planning and higher setup costs. Point 3. Tax benefits and withdrawal rules. Most of these plans give you pre-tax contributions that reduce your taxable income today. But remember, early withdrawals before 59.5 usually trigger a 10% penalty plus taxes. Always weigh flexibility versus maximum tax savings. Point 4. How to get started. Estimate how much you need for retirement using a calculator. Choose a plan based on your budget and whether you have employees. Open the account through a financial institution. Decide on contribution amounts each year and stick to it. So whether you're running a single-member LLC or managing employees, there's a retirement plan that can help you lower taxes and secure your future. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit subscribe and check out our full guide in the description. Planning ahead today means financial freedom tomorrow.